Creating assessment questions. Word bank. To create a word bank assessment question, click on the New Question button in the Assessments editor. This brings up a menu with a choice of assessment questions to choose from. Click on the Word Bank option and then click the Submit button. This imports the word bank question template into the editor. Type or paste in the question text. Always save your work. Add the answer choices to the question by clicking on the Add Answer button in the Asset menu. A maximum of 6 answer choices can be added. Type or paste in the answers. Select the correct answer by clicking in the box on the left. A colored oval will appear next to the correct answer. You can add an image or audio file to the assessment question by clicking on the Upload Image or Upload Audio buttons, which are located just above the Asset menu. You can name the assessment question by filling in the question title field in the Options menu. Note: question title text is for internal reference only and is not seen by the end user. Type the instructions for the question by clicking on the Instructions button in the Options menu. The purpose of instructional text is to explain to the user how to complete the question. It can be accessed by the user when they hover over the question mark icon next to the question. An example of instructional text for word bank questions is the following. Drag the correct answer into the space provided. Then click Submit Answer. Click on the Feedback button in the Options menu. Write feedback text for the user by filling in the 2 feedback text fields. The top text box is used to give feedback to the user when the answer is correct. The bottom text box is used to give feedback to the user when the answer is incorrect. Example feedback text for word bank questions would be correct and incorrect, although it's possible to write more detailed feedback. This concludes the video tutorial on creating word bank questions.